Hello, everyone. Soon we shall be entering the month of May, and I have noticed a marked shift in the energy just from the last couple of days. I've been marveling about how miraculously well we are getting along, despite being in our quarantine. Happy with each other? If you're getting antsy and finding it hard to access patients, well, it may be helpful to know that last Saturday, that is the 18th of April, Aries had a guest Mercury where it is going to be until the April 27th, bringing a marked shift from watery emotional Pisces into becoming more focused and sometimes aggressive. Now, this aggressiveness can be constructive as well as destructive. The choice is yours. So be a little patient, deliberate yourself into patience. Knowing this can help you find compassion for yourself and others, as well as healthy outlets for the abundance of the fiery energy as we work through this extraordinary time. I do hope that my past live sessions that I was trying and endeavoring providing for you with some relief and perspective during these really challenging times. Now, during these times of upheaval, the guidance of astrology has been a lifeline for me, and that is what I have tried to extend it to my audience because for me, the more I share, the more I feel. And since we are all undergoing the same universal phenomena, we just need to be patient and realize that yes, these energies are probably working with everyone. So we need to mellow down a little bit and probably be more creative within ourselves. This is a good thing about Pluto turning retrograde on April 25th. It is that whatever crisis you have been struggling with these past 6 months will retreat back in the dark corner from where it had come. Retrogrades mark a change in planetary disposition, a time when what was on is called off. We often think of retrogrades as upsets in our routine because things don't go according to the plan, like with the Mercury retrograde, for instance. However, retrogrades can also switch from being reactive to proactive. Make the necessary adjustments, the bold moves, the decisive choices you need to make to ensure that you are leading with your best foot forward is to be well armed. So Pluto comes out of the retrograde on October 4th. So we have all these months where we can actually relive in ourselves or reorganize ourselves or re-strategize ourselves, take advantage of the Pluto's retrograde. Well, the month of May for you Aquarians, people think of Aquarians as airy fairy, which is why they'll be taken by surprise when you step up to the plate and make the tough call that nobody else, especially after the April 24th. It's amazing how calm and clear headed or clear eyed you can be in a crisis. However, you also know that cutting back and clamping down is only a short term solution. What people need when facing tough times is a vision of a better future, something that inspires them to make sacrifices and to persevere no matter what. Share yours when the Sun conjoins Uranus on April 26th, and you'll rally the forces behind you. So, the month of May is extremely encouraging for those involved in the marketing and the communication fields. Those, those in academic careers also will have an excellent month. These predictions suggest that career matters are not in focus this month. The area of interest will be emotional matters and family affairs. Planetary strength lies in the southern half of the horoscope, and the career planets are retrograde, Spiritual growth will be more important than your professional development. Now, planets are equally spread between the eastern and western sectors of the chart. Hence, your personality has to give equal importance to both autonomy and collaboration. Self interest has to match the interest of others. Sometimes you can have your own way, while sometimes you have to listen to the way of others. So, personal magnetism will help singles to attract life partners or love partners. On the money front, you have a golden touch. So, in regards to your love and relationships, this is a beautiful month after the 20th of May. Married life will be harmonious and good understanding will prevail. Mercury will help cordiality between partners, and Venus will ensure romance. Singles will be able to attract love partners with their charisma and confidence. You can find partners in sports gatherings and amusement centers. If you're already in a confirmed relationship, there will be both romance and passion. In regards to your family, well, it suggests that the family affairs can be turbulent during this month. There will be conflicts and intrigues between senior members of the family. It will be your responsibility to establish a peaceful atmosphere. Children will be seriously affected by the happenings in the family. They tend to neglect their studies and will not be interested in the other activities. Try to give more attention to their welfare. In regards to the health, well, the predictions are not very encouraging for your health prospects either. Health problems due to stress related activities are quite evident. This may result in nervous weaknesses and your physical breakdowns. Try to reduce strenuous jobs and relax as much as possible. Well, it presents a bleak picture on the professional front. You will have a problem with getting along with your colleagues and seniors. There will be no incentive to work hard. Remunerations will be meager. No support from family members and friends, which is evident. However, work hard and wait for the good future. In regards to your finances, well, it foretells that the money flow will be better after the 20th of May. You will be able to get money without much effort. You will have encouragement from the social networks, family members, and your associates. Investments and speculations will be profitable. Your financial acumen is excellent, and whatever you touch will become gold. Surplus money can be used for pending loans. You should not forget to cut down your spending to boost your income. In regards to your education, you may face problems in pursuit of your academic ambitions. Hard work will not be rewarded with the necessary success. Students seeking advanced educational fail to get admitted to the reputed institutes, but don't lose heart. You may get a better one. Now, those appearing for competitive tests will have to put in extra effort to get through. Basically, the time is demanding. Don't lose heart, don't lose your patience, keep trying. In regards to your travel, well, it augurs well for travel related events. Travel for business and professional purposes will be highly gainful. Overseas travel for business and higher studies will prove beneficial. Pleasure time, so be careful and stay safe. So good luck till we meet next for the next month. Well, before we come to an end of the month of May, I really want you all to know that you'll be happy to note that I have officially launched my School of Astrology program, wherein I would be teaching my way, that is Dolly Mangat's way of astrological learnings. I would be sharing my experiences, my learnings, and my explanation of the planets with you all. You could visit my website to apply for the course. The evaluation of the applications is in process as the teachings or the classes are starting from the 8th May 2020. And of course, for best dates, career, honey, and money, as usual, they're on my website. Last but not the least, for any further information and intimations, you are requested to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, it will always be beneficial for your well being, as self awareness leads to the great transformation of life. Life is what you make of it.